Okay guys, then you have your popper. Then how you tie your popper on your leader. You can do a knot, but it's not the best, because if you want to change your popper or everything, the best is to use this system. Is like a split twig on the trigger. Okay. Then now how to knot this swivel with this split ring on your leader. Then this knot I show you is the knot I use since now many years. It's come from some taken for marlin fishing. Then really this knot is for me definitely the best one. Then first step, you put your leader here, okay, around 10 centimeters. Then next is you put between your two fingers, okay, the leader, and you turn like this. Again, twice, number 3, number 4. If you check, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I put inside my leader. That at this time is easy. What is very difficult is to manage to release this loop one by one. That is only the difficult things on this knot. And 1, 2, 3 and 4 loop. At this time you do like that. That is very important to release one by one. And now you humidify a little bit your knot. Okay. Okay, then we fix this good place. First, this part you see here like that. Then start to slide and okay. And now knot is ready. Just what you need to do. And when a knot is, you can easily put your popper with your stretching plier. Not the best. And if you want to change, very easy. Again, your plier.